Let's do an afternoon pump together. I haven't pumped for 6 hours, and it's not because I didn't want to, it's because I was doing my hair, my nails, and my feet. I was literally there from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's literally 6 hours without pumping, guys. I usually do not do that throughout the day. Look how beautiful they left my hair. I did a video before this one where I explained to you guys how much they charge me for my hair, my nails, and my feet here in my country. I am expecting a lot of milk just because I haven't pumped for 6 hours and my breasts are feeling super engorged. They're feeling super full. 30-minute pump session and my breasts still feel full. Like, I don't even feel empty. Oh, my left side. And this was my right side. Exactly 8 ounces for this pump, and my daughter is gonna drink like 5 to 6 ounces out of this. I told myself I wasn't gonna accumulate pump parts, and here I am accumulating pump parts, guys. But eventually I'm gonna wash this right now because I don't want to accumulate too much. It becomes like too much by the end of the day.